I need more money. Yes, having lots of money would make things easier. You could cover Facebook with wall-to-wall ads. Or get that new piece of equipment. Yes, money helps, but there are things you can do for your business that cost nothing. This video is from marketingcheapasdiy.com. We frequently add new videos, so follow us so you don't miss anything. To increase sales, you need to satisfy your customer needs. Identify customer expectations for your business and provide customer service that meets or exceeds them. Here are 4 tips that will help satisfy customer needs. Convenience. Are you making it convenient for customers to find you? Have you created a Google My Business page and listed yourself on other directories? Many people search online when looking for businesses. Make sure you are where their eyes are. Customer service. Can your customers interact with you other than calling? Consider having a Facebook page. Use social media as a way they can interact with you. Answer their questions. Watch for questions on social media and Google My Business and answer them quickly. You don't want other users giving answers before you. They may have a good answer or it may be wrong. Be kind with comments. Always respond to both good and bad customer feedback in a respectful manner. Sometimes bad comments can be beneficial if you have provided support for the customer. So how does all this help? The more you satisfy customer needs, the more valuable they perceive you. And this makes it more likely they will pick you over your competitor. I hope you have learned something about perceived value and how it can benefit your business and how it can increase your sales. We have a lesson covering perceived value that is easy to follow on our website. Thank you. Just a reminder, we create lessons by demand. So go to marketingcheapasdiy.com to make your request.